Hey everybody, welcome to Your Beautiful Table. Your Beautiful Table is a YouTube channel and a website all about how to help you make your tables beautiful. And today I've got a candle review. I'm going to review Bath & Body Works. What is this one? Fresh Fall Morning. And so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for coming on back. If you're new to the channel, I'm really glad that you're here. Here at Your Beautiful Table, we do lots of content about tabletop decor, but I'm doing a run of candles because I'm moving and I'm packing up my candles. So I wanted to bring you some candle reviews before I got swamped with the duties of moving. This one, Fresh Fall Morning, has been a hit for me this fall, and I'll share with you why. So first of all, I want to introduce, if you haven't met, that's Sammy, and Buddy's around here too. You may hear the tip-tap of his little feet. But Fresh Fall Morning is a hit for me because it is a beautiful candle. I'm trying to work on my candle presentation. So this is just a wrap, and you can see there's a wrap seam there that's actually seamed really well. It's got texture on it. It's got these gold leaves that are both silhouettes and then infill of the gold leaves. Buddy. They've been bothering each other. And then around the front, it's got this teal diamond on front that has the Fresh Fall label. The top is a brushed sort of copper look, which I really liked, with a small Bath & Body Works label. And inside, you've got your classic 14.5 ounce 3-wick Bath & Body Works candle. And wow, I can smell the candle just taking the lid off. You can see it's got 3 robust wicks in there, nice thick wicks. You can see that it hasn't got a lot of soot or smoke on the side of the candle. There's been a little bit, but gosh, the fragrance bubble on this candle is already filling the air just around. So Fresh Fall Morning is a departure. If you like the pumpkin and spice candles for fall or apple, Fresh Fall Morning is a departure from that. So if you like those candles, you want to stick there. This isn't, that kind of candle. This is more of like, I would say like a cologne kind of candle. And so it's got a heavy perfumed aspect, which is great for daytime burning in the fall. So one of the reasons why this one is fall is because it has woodland sage and red delicious apples as notes, and those come through. But it is like apple with citrus, perfumed in a way that's really intense and room filling. I mean, I lit this candle and boom, there was a ton of fragrance in the room. I've been enjoying it wafting through the rest of my home. So this is one that is definitely a departure from your typical fall candle. And so if you're looking for something new, a little bit avant-garde, people will walk into your home and be like, what is that delicious smell? Fresh Fall Morning. I don't know why I have a hard time with that name. Fresh Fall Morning may work for you. So again, the 14.5 ounce candle, they offer 25 to 45 hours of burn time. This one burns pretty hot. So the candle wicks are nice and robust, and that means that it makes a wax pool relatively quickly. I got a deep, full wax pool on each burn of this candle. It also can have a tendency to smoke a little bit, and especially it smokes when you light it. So if you trim your wicks just a little bit, you can avoid some of that initial smoking. Now this candle didn't form robust sort of mushroom tops or caps on the candles. They generally stayed pretty up and down or straight and didn't form those caps. There's a little bit on there, and so you could snip those off and reduce some of that initial smoking as the candle gets started. Excuse me. So as I mentioned, the fragrance intensity and throw was phenomenal on this candle. You're really going to get your money's worth because it will perfume basically your entire home. We have like 1,200 square feet or something, like 1,800 square feet or something like that. A relatively small home. I could smell it throughout the house. It was really, really powerful. So if you're looking for a break from regular fall candles, Fresh Fall Morning from Bath & Body Works may be a candle for you. I think it looks beautiful, it smells interesting, and the fragrance is really intense, and you will probably enjoy it if you like apples and sage and a little bit of that cologne sort of perfume note. Fantastic candle. Hey everybody, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.